Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones, still on the road, baby. But first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that passed and attained the CDLs, all the ones that are already over the road, on their road, by themselves, dedicated, regional, home daily. That's a blessing. Well, first, let me say, don't give up. Don't give up. There's a lot of people that want to give up. Don't give up. You know, trust me, it's a big sacrifice, and you're going to be fine at the end. You're going to see the outcome. All right, my peoples? You know, I love y'all. God bless y'all. I want to say that I am tired. You know, I want to shut it down. Send the message. I want to shut it down, and I want to take a little vacation, you know. Just my wife and I, get out of here, get out of town. And I think we're going to Puerto Rico. You know, that's our country. And I want to share a video with you. You know, me being Puerto Rico. You know, it's going to be a little short video. So, you know, thank you for your support. And don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. I want you to check this out. And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. All right, my peoples? I'll see you in a bit.
Take